I was actually on a beach shoot a few years back and I got really badly burnt because we couldn't find an SPF that didn't leave a white or purple cast on the skin, and that experience changed my vitiligo permanently. I had to have doctors come to my hotel, I had to have injections for pain and inflammation. It made me want to create a line of sun care that was beautiful on every skin tone, something that was for everyone under the sun. Hey, I'm Winnie Harlow, and I'm the founder of CAY SKIN. Most people probably know me as a model or activist, but you probably don't know that I'm a huge skincare enthusiast. I've had vitiligo since I was about 3 or 4, so it's made me really serious about skincare and protecting my skin. From a young age, my mom and dad used to slather me in sun care. I grew up in Toronto, but my dad lived in Jamaica, so I spent a lot of time in Jamaica when I was young. That meant a lot of sun on my skin. All the sunscreen that I remember my parents using on me always left me gray. And I hated sun care because of it. I don't want to look like a purple clown. I don't want the white cast. I want to look beautiful and sexy in my skin. So I wanted to create something that was for all skin tones that we could all use and stay protected. Our products are custom made with gentle, hydrating, island-based ingredients. They're mixed with high-performance skincare grade actives that leave your skin glowing and healthy. This is our Isle Glow Face Lotion with broad spectrum SPF 45. I love this product because it gives you an instant island glow. I like to wear this every day because it feels so good on my skin. It's super lightweight and breathable. I formulated this silicone-free with a pearlescent glow that blends seamlessly into all skin tones. It doesn't leave a white cast, and that's why we say CAY SKIN is for everyone under the sun. It's lightweight, non-sticky, and packed with powerful antioxidants. And it has a sheer pearl that leaves your skin with a warm, beautiful, sun-kissed glow. This is Universal Mineral Face Lotion with broad spectrum SPF 55. I love this product for when I know I'm gonna be in the sun. It protects your skin from UV rays, blue light, and pollution. Universal Mineral Face Lotion is your daily non-nano mineral SPF. So mineral sunscreens actually provide a physical barrier between your skin and the sun. This product is formulated with our universal antioxidant complex, which gives it this natural yellow tint that helps blend seamlessly into all skin tones. That's why we say that CAY SKIN is for everyone under the sun. That's why I'm so excited about this product. It's the only silicone-free, mineral-based SPF I've found that blends into all skin tones. This one completely disappears on my skin. This product is hydrating, lightweight. It's not sticky or heavy like a lot of the sun care that I've tried before. It's non-comedogenic and silicone-free, so it doesn't clog your pores. This is my Isle Lip Balm with broad spectrum SPF 30. Do you SPF your lips though? You should. This is one of my favorite products in the entire line. Isle Lip Balm is a hydrating, everyday, UV protectant lip balm. Our lips have really thin skin and they're usually a little less melanated than the rest of our skin. So I wanted to create a lip balm that protects from harmful UV rays, as well as that icky taste and smell that you get with typical lip balms that have SPF in them. I wanted to completely remove that from this product. It smells and tastes amazing. I really love this lip balm because it's so long lasting and you really want that when it comes to sun protection. It's also great because it's non-sticky and it's really hard to find a non-sticky balm that's going to give you that glossy, shiny feel. The products are formulated to work on all skin tones, all occasions, all year round. I use these products from skiing in Toronto to lounging on the beach in Jamaica. The products are Reef safe and dermatologist tested. It was really important for me to have my skincare line inspired by my heritage of Jamaica because I feel like that's where I get my confidence from. That's where I get my swag from. And I feel like similarly, CAY SKIN makes you feel sexy and confident. I can't wait for you to try CAY SKIN and fall in love with the products too. Never skip your SPF, okay?